I find that this thing's on its last leg. You get one shot with it, then you have to unplug it to power it back on, and most of the time the battery drops down below 50%, so the 25% light will flash. We're going to jump a Porter Cable 20-volt lithium battery pack to this post right here and to that over there. Luckily, Porter Cable's awesome, puts positive and negatives on here, which also I verified with a multimeter, because I'm not trying to fry anything, even though I'm throwing 20 volts at this. So we are on a post. Let's see, we got power. We got two 20 volt, or we got a 20 and a 12 jump pack on. Let's see if this brings this thing to life. 20 volt battery, baby. Look at that. That is crazy. I can't believe it worked. So